Welcome to my Indian astrology. Today I'll discuss about how to see loyal spouse from your horoscope. There are many rules to see the loyal spouse, but today I'll discuss about the main rules. And here I want to mention that loyal spouse doesn't mean you have the happy married life. Okay, let's get started. If seventh lord be in the fourth house, then spouse will be devoted to the native. Let's say your seventh lord Venus and it is posited in your fourth house, then your spouse will be loyal. Now the next rule. If seventh lord or Venus be conjoined with or aspected by benefic or be placed between benefics. Place between benefics mean Subha Kartari Yoga. Okay. So in this chart, you can see that the seventh lord is Venus and Venus posited in 12th. Okay. And Venus is okay. Venus is posited in your 12th house. And you can see on the fifth house, Jupiter is posited. But here Jupiter is retrograde. So we can take it from fourth house also. And from fourth house with its ninth aspect, it is seeing the aspecting the Venus. So here the second rule is fulfilled. Now another rule. If Jupiter occupies seventh house, then spouse will be devoted to the native. If seventh lord or seventh house be conjoined with or aspected by Jupiter and is also strong, then spouse will be faithful. In this chart, Jupiter posited in Lagna and exalted, and it is aspecting the seventh house, which is fulfill this rule. Now, if Sun is your seventh lord and aspected by a benefic, then spouse will be devoted to the native. Only Aquarius Lagna has the Sun as seventh lord. Another rule is if Venus is the seventh lord and aspected by a benefic, then spouse will be faithful. In this chart, Sun is your seventh lord. It is posited in Lagna and from fifth house, Jupiter is aspecting the Sun. Here Jupiter is also retrograde, so we can take it from fourth house and fifth house also. If seventh lord be in a Kendra in a benefic Navamsa conjoined with or aspected by a benefic, a loyal partner is shown. So seventh lord should be in your Kendra in Rasi chart and also in Navamsa it should be in a benefic Navamsa. Means the Navamsa sign should be either for Jupiter or Mercury or Venus or Moon. The next rule, if Moon or Jupiter occupy the seventh house from Karakamsa in Navamsa, then spouse will be faithful. Karakamsa means your Atma Karaka Graha, that means the planet which has the highest degree is your Atma Karaka Graha. And Karakamsa means that Atma Karaka planet posited in the Navamsa in a sign. That sign is your Karakamsa. Here in this chart, on the left side, it is Rasi chart. Okay. From the Rasi chart, we can see that Saturn has the highest degree. So Saturn is the Atma Karaka planet for this chart. Now, on the right hand side, you can see it is the D9 chart. And here Saturn posited in Sagittarius. Okay. And Moon posited in the seventh sign from the Karakamsa here. So this is the end of the video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notified. Thank you.